Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Speak Academy. Today we're continuing with our exciting series, Advanced English Sentence Practice, Enhancing Your Linguistic Proficiency. In this second episode, we'll be exploring 20 new advanced English sentences to help you expand your vocabulary, understand complex sentence structures, and improve your overall fluency. So, grab a notebook and a pen, and let's dive right in. Sentence 1. The intricate tapestry of cultural influences shape the nation's unique identity. Sentence 2. Despite the manifold challenges, she remained resolute in her pursuit of excellence. Sentence 3. The burgeoning tech industry has revolutionized the way we live and work. Sentence 4. His perspicacious observations shed new light on the complex issue. Sentence 5. The clandestine meeting was shrouded in secrecy, with only a select few in attendance. Sentence 6. Her magnanimous gesture left a lasting impression on the community. Sentence 7. The veracity of his claims was called into question after the investigation. Sentence 8. The artist's oeuvre is characterized by a profound exploration of the human condition. Sentence 9. The committee's decision was met with a cacophony of dissenting voices. Sentence 10. The enigmatic nature of the artifact continues to baffle historians and archaeologists alike. Sentence 11. The philanthropist's largesse funded numerous educational initiatives and scholarships. Sentence 12. The confluence of two major rivers created a thriving ecosystem teeming with wildlife. Sentence 13. His eloquence and rhetorical prowess made him a formidable debater. Sentence 14. The city's infrastructure has been bolstered by significant investments in public transportation. Sentence 15. The burgeoning field of artificial intelligence presents both opportunities and ethical dilemmas. Sentence 16. The company's acumen in navigating market fluctuations has ensured its long-term success. Sentence 17. Her meticulous attention to detail was evident in every aspect of the project. Sentence 18. The pervasive influence of social media on modern society is undeniable. Sentence 19. The novel's labyrinthine plot kept readers engaged until the very last page. Sentence 20. The symbiotic relationship between the two species has evolved over millennia. And that's the end of today's lesson. I hope you found these advanced sentences both challenging and helpful for your English practice. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident and proficient you'll become. Try to use these sentences in your daily conversations and writing to reinforce what you've learned. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Fluent Speak Academy for more advanced English lessons and language learning tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Please note that we have disabled comments on our channel to avoid any pranks and uncivilized messages. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to email us at our following email address. Thank you so much for watching, and keep practicing your English every day. I'll see you in the next episode of Advanced English Sentence Practice, Enhancing Your Linguistic Proficiency. Until then, take care and happy learning.